Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to automatically add cell fill in Excel when entering data. It's a super handy trick to make your spreadsheet more visually appealing and organized. Let's dive in. So first open your Excel file, then select all the cells or the entire sheet where you want to apply this conditional formatting. For example, I'll select the entire sheet by clicking on the triangle at the top left corner between column E and row 1. So once you've selected all your cells, go to Home tab at the top, then click on Conditional Formatting in the Style group. In the drop-down menu, select New Row. This will open a new window where we'll define our formatting criteria. In the new formatting rule, Windows choose Format only cell that contain. Then go to and choose No Blanks and click on Format. Then go to Fill and choose your color here. For example, this one. Then validate with OK. OK again. Now, when you enter data into any cell on the sheet, you'll see the fill color automatically appear. And here you have it. You now have cell fill automatically added to each cell as you enter data. We've just learned how to add fill color to cell in your Select sheet automatically using conditional formatting. It's simple, effective trick to enhance the visual appeal of your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.